Hello everyone. Do you want to keep your activity private on your Instagram app? In this video, I will show you how to hide liked reels on Instagram app. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First, you have to go to Instagram app. In this window, you will go to this sign of profile and you will click. Then here in this page you will have this sign on bottom here. You click on above like this. Then you will scrolling down until you find this page of who can see your content. So you will have this window of activity in friends tab. You will enter to this page. And then here in this page you will find who can see your likes and comments on reels in the friends tab. So you will click here on no one. When you click here on no one, as you see, you will choose who can see your likes and comments on reels in the friends tab. So when you go to reels, you will find here friends tab. And as you see here, you are all caught up with reels your friends are into. Here when you click, for example, when you go to this friends tab, your friends, they cannot be able to see your liked reels on this page or on this page too. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.